In today's SEO Group Buy Tools video, what I would like to go ahead and showcase to you is some of the absolute best SEO tool group buys that I have used. Now, I don't have any affiliate links. There's nothing to buy. There's no affiliate links below. I just want to go ahead and showcase to you some of the group buys that I have used in order to save money over the course of the year for tools that I need. And I'm sure that you need too. So let's not waste any time because I know that you as an SEO, you need tools like SEMrush. That's one of my personal favorites. Along with that, you might want Majestic. They have a link graph, phenomenal. Or maybe even Ahrefs. And more importantly, you can't just rely on one company's data. So in order to be able to get a sliver from each of the companies, to get the best amount of data, because I want to use all types of companies, you start to resort to SEO group buys. Because when you start to add these things up, SEMrush 150, Majestic 50 and up, Ahrefs 100 and up. Maybe there's cheaper plans. And then you start tacking in other tools. Maybe you want a keyword tool. Maybe you want an on-page tool. Maybe you want, right? It really starts to add up over the course of time. So what I want to go ahead and give to you now is some group buys that I have utilized in the past. I don't have any links or anything, but these are ones that I've used. You can try them out for yourselves. And then at the very end, I'll go ahead and showcase to you the one that I really stick with, that I consistently use. It's very well known, and I won't waste any more time. Let me go ahead and show these to you. So when you're looking just for singles, I've used this particular company in the past. It's really good. If you search for SEO Group Buy, and the site looks really bad, so it looks untrustworthy, right? However, I've used them numerous times. They actually do a really good job. And it's this site right here. You can buy singles, you know, for $5, $2, $3. I've used them numerous times. I think they use PayPal. Again, I don't have any links or anything, but you could check it out for yourself. You know, they're giving you all these tools monthly for $18. Or you could buy singles, like say you just want, you know, Spamzilla, or maybe you just want Ahrefs, or maybe you just want Majestic, or maybe you just want SEMrush. You can come in here for $9 a month and just get one of them. I've used this one in the past before. You know, it's done through email. You get a login. It's not too bad. All right. So we'll keep going here. Another one that I've used in the past. So for a SEMrush group buy. Oh, it's actually called, here's another one that I've used. All right. SEO Tools Access. And some of them have other tools that others will not. So I just want to go ahead and showcase to you different places you can do group buys that are inexpensive that I've used in the past. And then again, I'll show you at the very end the one that I currently use, and it works phenomenally. But there's a little bit of a trick to it in order to get in. Okay, so and I'll explain that to you. So with that being said, this is SEO Tools Access. Again, I don't have any affiliate links, but I've used these guys in the past. They worked really well. But I honestly think that when you install their particular Chrome extension, a lot of these companies will use a Chrome extension in order to run a proxy. That's what's going on here. So it's really good to maybe use these on a VPS or something. It's up to you, or a virtual box. Again, totally up to you. I'm just giving you some tips here. This particular one, when you're looking at the Chrome extension and when you're logging in, I noticed that maybe they might be running another tool in the background and then giving you a little bit of a discount. But it's up to you. I've used these guys in the past. They worked great. So the first one was the SEOtools.org. This is SEO Tools Access. And then the one that I really just fell in love with, but it was a little tricky to get going, was Flickover. So this is the one that people have been asking me about in my videos. I use it pretty much all the time because I'm a SEMrush user, but sometimes I want to go get Ahrefs data, or I want to get Majestic data. And let me just show you how awesome this is. So I have access to Ahrefs, SEMrush, SERPstat, Majestic, Word AI, Keyword Tool, BuzzSumo, Moz, SpyFu, SEMscoop, Canva, Grammarly, Stock Unlimited, WooRank, right? The list goes on and on for $21 a month. And if you pay for 6 months, or if you pay for a year, it's even cheaper. It's mind-blowing. So when I'm doing competitive analysis, I'm able to get multiple data sets for fraction of the cost. And I hope that this helps you out. Now, in order to get in with this, the best way to do it, because you're like, oh man, this is kind of troublesome, is be very cautious because it's flickover.com. I don't have any affiliate links. It's just something that I like and I use. Flickover.com. There's a lot of different variations. Only this one's the real one, so just be careful out there, okay? Flickover.com. Take a look around. If you go to Facebook and message the guy for flickover.com, make sure it's the right one. If I'm friends with him, that's probably the right one, Flickover. Message him, he'll send you the payment details and you'll be able to get going. So these are the group buys that you guys were asking me about. This is who I use. I've used these other companies in the past. Sometimes the site looks bad, like that SEOtools.org. The site looks horrible, but they deliver. SEO Tools Access is a little bit cheaper, but they don't have as best of a selection, and I think they're running off of Flickover, because I noticed when I was logging in, it would show me Flickover stuff. It's okay, they're cheap. And then last but not least, the best, but it's a little bit of a pain to get started, and there's a lot of fakes out there, but it's flickover.com. They're the best, they're the cheapest, they always work, they are the best group buy, period, end statement. So with that being said, no affiliate links. My name's Chris Palmer. If you have any questions about these SEO tools group buys, or if you're interested in SEO testing, check out www.seomastermind.org. Come on over. We're testing everything. If you know a technique, you want it tested, that's what we do. Maps, local, affiliate, everything. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.